Okay, let's see our product. This is the last series. We have 5 sizes. The smallest is 95, and one. Yes.
180 watts.
Yes.
This is a bigger watts.
Bigger. 200.
230 watts.
Yeah. This is Pinzhen series. 80 size. 80 size. 105 size. And the biggest.
Last time I think I met you online, right?
Yes.
I still remember your exhibition in your company.
Yeah.
Zhongshan.
Yes. This is the new series.
Oh, new series.
Yeah, new model.
So covered with glass, right?
Yeah.
Is it changeable angle? No, the angle, right? Putting hot.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is the Aston series. Also, we have 5 sizes.
Oh, oopsie. It happens. It happens.
This is hole in the like this. You can fix on the
installation hole. Yeah, adapted together.
Yeah. So this one is Light series. Small one and the biggest one.
Okay, sure.
This is X element series. We have 5 sizes.
5 sizes. Okay.
Yeah. And that's all.
Oh, I see. I can see that the main product of your company is the die casting flat lights, and with different shapes, different models, different waters. Yeah. Okay. Wow, it's quite okay. Do you have some name card?
Yes.
And OQ of the product is.
No MO.
Oh, one piece is already. Okay, great. Do you have any certifications for America or Russia or Germany or Europe customers? You have a certification to do them, to deliver, to sell products to still have 有检测认证。
哦，这个没用，我做外壳不需要。
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Okay, sure. Okay, so this is the name card. If you're interested in their company, in products of die casting, flat casting, okay, thank you. So please contact our Yixin, thank you. Okay, so this is today. Thank you for your introduction.